jungle wakes. The sun rises over a beautiful jungle, birds chirping. A parrot excitedly flies around announcing, "Wake up everyone, it's Holi!" The jungle animals peek out, monkeys, elephants, tigers, deer, rabbits, and peacocks. The celebration begins. A monkey grabs a bucket of colors and splashes a sleepy elephant. The elephant laughs, fills his trunk with colored water, and playfully sprays back. Deer and rabbits dip their paws in color and stamp colorful footprints on rocks. The dance party. Peacocks spread their feathers, spinning in joy, creating a rainbow swirl. Tigers and bears drum on tree trunks, making a lively jungle beat. Monkeys hang from trees, throwing flower petals and colors in the air. The grand finale. All the animals gather in a big circle, tossing colors into the air. A rainbow forms in the sky as colors mix and create a magical glow. The song ends with all animals dancing, laughing, and hugging. A parrot shouts, "Happy Holi, everyone!" Celebrate